is falling blue. Good day. My name is Mark Jones Acosta, and this is a video of installation of Windows XP in VirtualBox. So first, click New, then the Windows that you will download. Mine is Windows XP. Then click Next, Next, and Next if it's up to your choice. Then Finish. And after that, click Settings. Then go to the storage. Then click the empty. Then the blue disk. Then choose a disk file. Then find the Windows XP. Then click Open. Then OK. Then click Start for the installation process. So just wait. So just wait on this part. So click Enter to continue. Then click Page Down 8 times to read. Then click Enter to continue. Then click the first one. Then Enter. Then wait for the setup formatting. Then again wait. Another loading. So just wait on this loading part. You just take a while. Then wait again. So it says your computer will reboot in seconds. So just wait. Then don't click any key since it will restart if you do. So don't. Then wait. So here, this part also takes long since it said that setup will completely in approximately 39 minutes. So that's too long. So I just forward this part. So here it says regional and language options. So in customize, you can see what language. So mine's just English. So just I'll just show you what's under. So here in this part, in the country, I choose my country, which Philippines. Then apply. Then click OK. Here you can also click the details. Then just click next. Then here it asks for name and organization. Then here is a product key. So you can use the product key I used. Then after that, it will ask for your computer name. You can just leave it as it is. You can also leave the password for admin blank. Then click next. So here again, date and time. Then click next. Then wait for installing Windows. So again, I forward it. Then click next, next, again installation. A lot of loading. Then finalizing installation. And after that, it will show this again. Again, don't click any key. Then this loading shows up. Just click OK. OK. Then loading again. And now you have Windows XP Professional. So just click next. Then just click what's recommended. Then next. Just click next. I just click the no not for one. So since it asks for your name, it means your name. Then click next. Then thank you. And now you are successfully installed your Windows XP Professional. That's all. Thank you. 'Cause I am falling, falling in love.